Look at this beautiful bird. He's just expressing his joy to dry out his wings. He's just a beautiful, beautiful bird. I'm not sure what type of a bird he is, but he looks like he could be a heron of some sort or an egret of some sort, but he's beautiful, wouldn't you say? Yes, he's showing off his wings. He's drying them in the sunlight. Oh, yeah. There he is. Oh, yes. Uh-huh. Let's see if I go closer, if he stays. Look at how beautiful. Oh, how beautiful. I'm going to put you on YouTube, little guy. Yes. Did you go fishing? Did you go for your food today? Oh. What do you have to say? Huh? Oh, really? How about that? We have to pray in a female for you, don't we? We have to pray in a girl for you. We sure do. You looked at me when I said that, didn't you? Oh, yeah. Okay, well, you have a great day, little guy. Okay, praise the Lord. Oh, yeah.